My name is Matthew Wham. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and sports medicine specialist. I've had the great blessing in my career to work with athletes at the high school, the college, and even the professional level with the New England Patriots. And I just want to bring that level of care here to Western North Carolina. My field within orthopedic surgery is really sports medicine. So I like taking care of athletes and whatever injuries they have that keep them from playing. It's my job to get that taken care of, get them early rehabilitation, and get them back on the field as quickly as possible. My healthcare philosophy is that if you tear your ACL, you are so much more than just a torn ACL. You are what you eat, you are your rehab, your strength training program, and all the people that are there to support you, your coaches, your athletic trainers. So staying in constant communication with all those people, making sure that we got your diet right, your rehab right, your strength training right, so that we can make you a whole person instead of just a torn Achilles tendon or a torn ACL. I've learned over time that the quickest way to get back to playing sports, the quickest way to get back to playing golf after your rotator cuff injury is to start your rehab right away. And the less time you spend on the couch and the more time you spend in the gym, the better off you're going to be. Technology has come so far and enabled us to allow you to do early rehabilitation, early strength training, et cetera, et cetera. And my goal is to have a pretty aggressive rehab program so that I don't have to hold you out for a really long time. I grew up an athlete. I played football, I played soccer, I played basketball, and I was fortunate to never get really bad injured, but I had many, many friends who lost seasons or more than one season to ACL injuries or Achilles rupture. And the thing that I like the most is, as technology has advanced so far, we're able to take care of those injuries in a minimally invasive fashion, early rehabilitation, and early return to play. The thing that I love the most about my job is seeing one of my athletes playing football the next Friday after I fix their ACL or their Achilles tear.